Hello there, I'm going to show you how to make these window frames, decorate them for your holiday project, and here we go. So you are going to have a piece of paper like this. There's a variety of colors. You might have something different in your classroom, and then you're going to either choose 4 white squares or 7 green triangles. And then you'll also have some magnets and a window frame. Then you might collect some other things to decorate your window frame as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to decorate it how you want. So if you want to do the snowman, you would do something like this. And then you could also, if you don't want a square head, you could cut it more round. And then you can also make the last one into a hat, and you can shape that how you want as well. Or you can have it look more like a top hat like that and color it in black. Or if you want your snowman to have a different color hat, you can color it in whatever you want. Then you can use marker and add the details. And then the last thing you'll do is you are going to glue this on, and you're going to want to glue along the upper edge that's nice and flat. See how these ones stick in a little bit? You don't have to glue that as much. You can, but it's not going to be what holds it together best. So along the top and the bottom, and once you do that, then you place it on. And you want to hold it until it dries, and then you can check it out to make sure that it works. Most important to have it glued on that top part and that bottom part. Once you turn it over, then you're going to place the magnets on the top, and these are sticky, so you just pull off the sticky part and push it down nice and sticky. And you'll want your back to look like this. You could also use things like yarn and make a star for the top, so you could put it together like that and glue that on the top of your tree. Be creative and add whatever details you want to your frame. Have fun!